Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, probability. Okay, paano natin malaman probability? Kailangan natin nabibilang kung ilan yung possible outcome, ilan naman yung successful outcome. Okay? A bag contains a total of 20 colored balls. Some of these balls are red, some are blue, and the rest are green. The probability of drawing a red ball from the bag is 1/4. Ano ba sabihin nun? Meron tayong 20 balls. And sabi niya, ang color red, probability is 1/4. 1 out of every 4. How many out of 20?
5.
Same thing as 5 out of 20. Which tells us that if 20 balls all in all, that means yung red mo, meron kang 5 red balls. Now, if there are 5 more blue balls than green balls in the bag, so kung 5 yung red, ang natitira ay
15.
15, di ba? So with regards to blue and green, ano sinabi niya? 5 more blue balls than green balls. So kung ito yung dami ng balls ng green, si blue, maliban sa dyan, meron ka pang 5 more, right? At alam natin yung total nila ay
15.
15. So kung 15 yung total nila, tanggalin natin si 5.
10 na lang.
10 is equivalent to dalawang box. So 10 divided by 2 is
5.
so 5 each din ito. Therefore, what's the probability of drawing a green ball? Green is 5 out of 20.
20.
Therefore, 5 out of 20, same thing as
1/4.
1. Ayun lang. Letter D na ang sagot. Madali lang, di ba?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.